So this is a special jury award given to a mathematical and science genius, we can say. So this award is backed by a student. Her name is Akshara Vemuri. Akshara Vemuri. So yeah. So we request the parents also to come along with her to collect the award. So she has the capability and the ability of presenting the root 2 value up to 60,000 decimals. Up to 60,000 decimals in 12 minutes of time. She has the capability to present the value of root 2 up to 60,000 decimals in less than 12 minutes of time. So as a teacher and faculty member, everybody here, we like to test the students just for understanding the ability of their knowledge, not for the sake of proving them wrong or right. So let's listen from her in 30 seconds how many decimal values she can share with us.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais and all the audience present here, a very good evening to you all. I'm Akshara, studying grade 10 in VPS Public School. I'm 3 times world record holder in reciting the highest number of root 2 value decimal places. Recently, I made a world record by reciting the highest number of decimal places, that is 6,020 decimal places, in the fastest time, 5 minutes 59 seconds and 38 milliseconds, and became the world number 1 in root 2 value. So all of us know that root 2 is an irrational number, but normally we learn the value of root 2 as 1.414 that we use in calculations, right? But actually root 2 is a non-terminating and non-recurring decimal value. So it has infinite number of decimal places. So now I'm going to perform I'm going to recite a few decimal places in front of you all now. 1. Thank you. I thank the Ambitions Education entity and Venkat sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity and this honor and this award. Thank you, everyone.
Now we have to decode whatever you say.
So we have a small AV around Akshara.
Good evening, one and all. Exceptional achievements are within our reach when we stand tall on a foundation of personal integrity, hard work, and unwavering determination. I'm greatly honored to present before the august audience our young, dynamic math genius, science enthusiast, and hat-trick world record holder, the student of VPS Public School, Miss Vemuri Sai Akshara, who has many feathers in her crown. She is a national level archer, mental sports athlete, president of Rotary Interact Club of Vijayawada Midtown, and founder of the Astro Club. It's my proud privilege to speak a few words about Vemuri Sai Akshara's phenomenal world record of reciting 6,020 decimal places of root 2 values at a go. This summit of success is not reached in a single leap, but in a series of determined steps. Miss Sai Akshara Vemuri recited first 500 decimal places of root 2 values in 39 seconds and 59 milliseconds on 18th October in the year 2017, when she set the world record for the first time.
950480167807856967875694.
With grit and determination, she surpassed her own record in the same year within 2 months by reciting first 1200 decimal places of root 2 values in 3 minutes 26 seconds. But the culmination of her hard work, dedication and determination came in the year 2020 on 15th November, when she broke her own world record by reciting the first 6020 decimal places of root 2 values in just 5 minutes 12 seconds and 98 milliseconds, and set the new world record. With this commendable and outstanding achievement, she has taken the fame of Veeramachaneni Padaya Siddhartha Public School to greater heights. Sai Akshara has been selected for Inspire Manak National Science Project competition conducted by Government of India, which has been postponed due to pandemic. She has received a special invitation from our Honorable Vice President, Shri M. Venkaya Naidu Garu, and sought his blessing. Akshara is teaching life skills even to the elders present here. That is really what we expect from future generation. Yeah, I'm really humbled.
Thank you.
Akshara.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sai Akshara Vemuri. I want to take a moment to extend my sincere thanks to the management of Ambitions Education Entity for the award presented to me. Receiving this award is a great honor. This award particularly recognizes my talent, and it gives an amazing feeling of getting awarded for the efforts that I put in. Thank you once again for this great honor.